guys, it's me again, Mixie. For today's video, we will mix Aqua Blue semi-gloss latex for interior concrete wall. Aqua Blue wall paint is a large number of options available to you when you plan to renovate your home or move to a new one. This bold, cool, and trendy color is a choice color for entryways, bedrooms, and even kitchen cabinets. It adds the perfect dose of color without feeling juvenile or outdated. If you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button below to keep updated on our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you! Our client order 1 gallon Aqua Blue semi-gloss latex mix. We prepare 3 color combination, 80% of semi-gloss latex white, 13% of ochre color phthalo blue, and 7% of ochre color phthalo green. Okay, let's start by filling ochre color phthalo blue and ochre color phthalo green. Stir the paint very well. It's more lighter. Let's add more ochre color, phthalo green, and phthalo blue. Let's just add little by little until we got the right shade of Aqua Blue. It's almost the same, just add a little more ochre color phthalo green. Yes, we now got the exact shade of Aqua Blue. Mixing accomplished. If you want more paint mixing tutorials, just subscribe to our channel, Ideal Color Paint Mixing TV, to keep updated to our videos. Thank you for watching.